Hey there, Rodrigo here for Textualize, and in this short video I want to show you how you can change the theme that's used for syntax highlighting in your TextArea widgets. So I have a simple application right here. It has a single TextArea widget that's set to highlight Python code, and what this means is that if I run my application, I can type Python code and it gets highlighted. So this shouldn't come as a surprise. Right? So what I'm saying is that the theme that's being used here, so the color scheme, can be changed. And you can do it in one of two ways. So the first way is you can use the theme parameter. Now there's a couple of built-in themes. If I'm not mistaken, Monokai is the default one. So this shouldn't have changed anything. And it doesn't seem like it did. And the available themes, you can find them in the available themes attribute here. We're gonna go ahead and use this, and let's set the theme to be the first one. Theme's gonna set it to 0, I think, at the time of recording. Does this work? It doesn't because I'm wrong. Right, sorry, because this needs an actual text area. Sorry. So the text area, we create one, and the language is going to be Python. Actually, I'm going in circles because I want to show you something that I want to show you, that I want to change, that I want to show. Very complicated. So let's just keep it simple. Let's go with Dracula, which is a theme that's built in by default. So this should work, and it should exactly. You can already see it's a different color. So print hello world. Some comment here. So you can change the theme by using the theme parameter. And what I was trying to say is that you can access all of the themes via the available themes. Available themes property. So now what we'll do is we will use a select widget to give you the opportunity to change the themes dynamically. So from textual import on, because not only can you use the parameter theme, you can also use a reactive called theme, a reactive attribute. And so what we'll do is, now that we have all of the themes here, let's yield a select whose values are the theme.title, theme, or theme in sorted themes. So these are the values for the select widget. And now let's say that allow blank is false, and the prompt is going to be theme. Now this shouldn't. So that Dracula can be by default without any issues. Okay, so now if we run the application, this is Dracula by default, as in not by default, it's because we changed it. And now if I run this, let's see some code here. Now we can change. And it's broken because I forgot to add the event handler. So what we want to do is, by changing the option in the select, we want the theme to also change over here in the text area. And in order to do that, I forgot to use the on decorator. So on select.changed, we want to update text area theme. And what we do now is we query the text area and we assign to its theme reactive attribute, and we just need the value from the event. So now this should work. Let's see, let's print something. Print something. Now we can change it to, I don't know, VS Code Dark or Sublight or Monokai, which is the default one, or Dracula. Oops, I didn't mean to set to blank. So this was interesting. So what I did by mistake was I clicked the empty option and it complained. And it complained why? Because I set it to blank. And so when I ran this, I tried to assign the theme here to the blank option. And it just complained because that's not a valid theme. And that's why it says theme does not exist. So this was maybe a bit of an abrupt ending, but it's a perfectly fine place to end. So this is how you set a theme on a text area. You can also create your own themes, and that's why it mentions registering a theme. So I'll leave the links for the documentation and the code below. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment or join the Discord server to ask for help. I hope this was useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.